Alright, Mr. Carter, so you will have to take off your plastic shrouds just so you can see what's underneath here, but this is what it will look like when you take your shrouds off. And what it is you have these levers, you have one on each side, and the concept is when that seat comes down, it pushes on this. There's two black knobs underneath here, and these black knobs are what push those levers down. So I don't know if you can see from the video, but that lever is being pushed down, and when that lever does not get fully released is when you hear that beeping sound. So when your chair's all the way down, both those levers should be pushed in like that. That's telling you, hey, your chair's all the way down. Although it's not all the way down, so what's happening is one's releasing, the other one is not, and that's what's causing that beeping issue. So it's either these black pistons here need to be lubricated, and if that does not solve your problem, because I have a feeling one of these levers is getting like this and it's not fully releasing, it's staying a little bit down, and even a little bit down is going to cause it hits another sensor down in here, which causes that problem. But I have a really good feeling that it's probably one of these. It's you know, it's a metal rod that goes through here, has a little too much friction, and it's only coming up a little bit instead of releasing all the way when the seat elevates, and that's the problem you hear. You'll hear this beeping sound when it does that. If it's doing it all the time when it's all the way down, then that could be something else. But if it's doing it just when your seat's elevated, I have a good feeling it's coming from these two pistons. So I would probably spray WD-40 all around in here and see. And then you also have this hinge right here, goes down to a bolt. You can probably spray a little WD-40 on the base of this release lever here. So let's see if that solves your problem, and if not, then we'll address it another way.